See here, we'll try to place these 2 damaged shingles here. So we can go ahead and go up under right here. Got to get the nail track. Go up under here. As you can see, this nail's already ripped from the track here. The next one, try to pull. This nail's already out of track. Under here, pull. Nail already out of track. Go up. Here. Nail already out of track. Go up to the next row. No adhesion. Trying to get this nail track up. Another rip, the nail track here. You can see. Allow Tim to get the second. Another rip, nail track here. And another rip here. All right, let's go over. Another rip here. Another rip. This track as well. And we are missing this. And you see here, another rip. And this nail track. You cannot remove this nail. If you see this rip right here, that's a wicked one. Still stuck somewhere here. It's up here.
Right here. All these in here. Those don't matter. Those ain't connected. Right?
This one.
No, this one. They're still in the top layer. You gotta get the nails out. You gotta get these.
Oh shit.
You gotta get those out. Use a flat bar. Go all the way on this. Let's go all the way up.
See here, ripped on this nail track as well. We got one more to get out.
No, that's it.
Yep. Yep.
It's right here.
Oh yeah. Try to go up under go. Try to get this one out as well. You can see here, this nail track is also ripped. You can tell this is what happened when we try to remove this shingle here. Original nail track's damaged. Nail tracks above the next one are damaged.
Keep going.
We're gonna
Gotta get all the nails out.
get these nails out. See? Keeps coming. Thank you.
You don't have to get that one.
Okay. Got these nail tracks out here, you can tell. Things are ripped. They're gonna replace the other shingle. Put it in there.
Keep going.
Seal it back down.
Put the shingle in.
Okay. We are using architectural, so we have until not match up with this 3-tap. We're gonna do our best. Put it up under. All right, you can already see in this test here, these shingles above have already started to form a crease. I'm gonna go ahead and nail these things back down.
Yeah. I'm OCD, I'm sorry. There's that corner over there. Okay.
All right. Okay, now we will move up. Seal this next row down here. As you can tell in the test, see this crease line already starting to form. Cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go up to the next row. Under there.
Pull it out.
Oh, this is not gonna be.
It's alright.
As you can tell, having to use your nail track here, and we go over. There we go. Okay. And one more.
That's good.
All right, so you can see here, well, we've started to form slight crease on the top here. You can see. Therefore, these shingles are now damaged. We have to move up in the process. It's just gonna be a staircase day.